You should expect problems. The issue is when you have problems to be able to solve.
This is one of the reasons we have selected Alfa Laval. Safe Bulkers is an international company. We are listed in the New York Stock Exchange. We have 41 vessels, bulk carriers. Our vessels are traveling and trading worldwide.
We transport grain, coal and iron ore.
Our company has decided to follow an IMO regulation, which will be in effect from the 1st of January 2020. We have decided to install scrubbers on 27 of our vessels.
First of all, we need to understand that the scrubber is not so easy to install. You run the risk of corrosion because sulfuric acid is very harsh. So we started that we need to have a reliable partner. We have chosen Alfa Laval without hesitation.
There are several other companies, also very reputable companies in the market that offered us as well good products and good prices. Sometimes the chemistry has to be there and the trust. Trust is the most important thing here. Alfa Laval is a company that has a very good reputation. We know them, we have been collaborators for many years. And I would say that they offered us the most complete proposal in terms of technical superiority of the project, of the product, of the specifications, at a very good competitive price.
Reliability is the most important because if you, let's say, select a cheaper scrubber, cheaper manufacturer, you run into a risk that you do a trip and the scrubber breaks down and then you violate MARPOL and you have several problems there.
We are confident with Alfa Laval from the first moment. They have supported us during all the phases. It's not a problem-free project. We are dealing with certain unexpected things all the time, but we have very good communication. Their expertise is very good and their support is outstanding, I would say, and they have helped us many times to overcome all the problems that we are facing. We are very successful in implementing the project within a span of 30 days, which is quite remarkable in relation to what our competitors, other shipping companies are doing.
The fear was the commissioning and the trials. We've heard from the market that several other equipment couldn't meet the specified limits. But when we started the trials, we've seen that the scrubber of Alfa Laval doesn't bring in only just below 0.1, but maybe half of 0.1% and even lower. So we expect the results to be far away from the limit.
We are very sensitive in fulfilling any requirements that has to do with green policy and how the maritime shipping industry is operating today and also in the future. I think we are quite keen on these issues. Very important for our future, for the industry, for all the people, for our families, for our kids, for the maritime industry to contribute also environmentally on this. All the involving parties, ship owners, suppliers, Safe Bulkers, Alfa Laval, have to contribute each one in their own way.